we might as well get some
Okay.
jerseys and let them have some.
Where you gonna put them back? Okay. You gonna turn them in? Turn them in? Good job. Good job. I'd leave them right there. That looks good, Will.
Yes, thank you, Bud.
That looks great. Thank you. Oh boy.
Thank you.
I'm gonna put them flat and see if he can get them. And then if you have a party or company, you can curve them out.
He's already on the way to fix them for you.
Let's see what he does.
Okay. I'm gonna see what Otis is doing. You can move them. It's okay. Straighten them out. Straighten them out.
No, look at these. They're sticking out. Look at that. Oh, I can get that. That's easy. That's like they were before.
Yeah. There we go. Thank you very much.
Now
No
I'm
problem.
going to go over there and put them back next to the
No
ones so they
problem.
all match.
William, Will, please put them back. Please put those back.
There I am. I'm gonna put them over here. Good job. Good job. Okay. Thank you.
It's like a Will's house decorating TV show or something.
Mm-hmm.
Color splash.
That's good.
Put her down and see if she'll go for it.
You gonna go help brother? Go help your brother. See what he's got.
That looks
You wanna
crazy.
go help him? Here,
No,
he'll.
no,
Mm.
no.
But it looks like a spade.
Will.
Oh.
Not quite ready for the sandbox yet. Will,
No, don't do that.
No. Let's not play in the dirt. That's springtime. Play in the dirt in the springtime.
This is going to be every time, Cassie, so
Uh-oh.
I'm just putting them flat for now.
Yeah, they look good that way.
From the
too.
road, they won't show.
Mhm.
I love them the other way, but she's going to try it now.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
She'll go for that little button.
Dirt.
Pull the big ones off
Mhm.
because of
Dirt.
the button.
This is funny.
Can you believe that?
No, I can't. Cannot believe it. They haven't even been interested in anything I'm going to show them.
Go ahead, Maya. Show them. Show them how to fix them.
Look at him. About ready for this sandbox.
Yep. He didn't put it in his mouth, so that's a start. Where you going, darling? Where you going, Maya? That's a big step for you, little
Looks like by
girl.
the speed of that,
I
too
have
big.
I think that's too big. Okay. All right. Good job. Good job.
you get your treatment in the yard yet?
Okay, hang on. Hold it.